Food today is not just food. Most people assume health problems come from eating too much.
Even if they want to cut down, even if they know it's killing them, they find they can't stop.
In reality, the bigger issue is eating foods that no longer behave like food in the body.
With foodborne illness outbreaks making headlines, some shoppers are being extra cautious.
Modern processing has turned everyday meals into chemical experiments.
So that's why I make sure that I clean all my vegetables and fruit.
We do buy organic as much as we possibly can.
Those are good moves, but they aren't enough to protect you. The CDC says tens of millions of Americans get sick from contaminated food every year.
Designed for shelf life, convenience, and profit, not digestion or long-term health. The goal here isn't extreme dieting. It isn't restriction for the sake of restriction. It's about removing the worst offenders and switching to cleaner versions that your body actually recognizes. Here are 10 foods you should avoid right now, and exactly what to replace them with. 1. Fried chicken sandwiches, any fast food chain. KFC, Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, Bojangles, and similar. The fried chicken sandwich looks simple, but it's one of the most destructive fast food combinations available. You're getting chicken fried in industrial seed oils, a refined white bun with preservatives, sugar, emulsifiers, and flavor enhancers, oils that has been reheated multiple times. Those oils oxidize under high heat, creating compounds that inflame the gut lining and disrupt metabolism. Over time, this combination contributes to insulin spikes, bloating, fatigue, and systemic inflammation. The sandwich isn't just junk food. It's a chemical bomb for your digestive system.
Chicken or fish on the regular, you could have a higher risk of dying.
Switch instead. Grilled chicken. Always grilled. Remove the bun entirely or replace it with lettuce or a clean wrap. If eating out, choose grilled protein with vegetables. At home, grill or air-fry chicken using olive oil, herbs, salt, and pepper. 2. Potato chips, all conventional brands. Potato chips are one of the most misleading snacks on the shelf. Most are made with canola, soybean, or sunflower oil. Ultra-processed potatoes stripped of nutrients. Excess omega-6 fats. Flavor enhancers that override satiety. These chips are designed to keep you eating long past fullness. That's not a willpower issue, it's food engineering.
We have a potato chip recall to tell you about right now. Connecticut snack maker Deep River is pulling certain bags of sour cream and onion flavored kettle chips off the shelves.
Over time, frequent consumption fuels inflammation, poor gut health, and blood sugar instability. Switch instead. Siete tortilla chips, cleaner oils, better ingredients. Homemade apple chips or zucchini chips baked at home. Air-fried sliced potatoes with olive oil. Crunch doesn't have to come with inflammation. 3. Non-organic bread. Bread today is not the bread humans evolved eating. Most conventional wheat is sprayed with glyphosate before harvest, processed with dough conditioners, loaded with preservatives and sugars. Glyphosate is known to disrupt gut bacteria, which can lead to bloating, brain fog, fatigue, and poor nutrient absorption, even in people without gluten sensitivity. Switch instead. Organic Ezekiel bread or other sprouted organic breads. These use whole sprouted grains. Improve mineral absorption. Avoid most chemical additives. Bread isn't inherently bad. Modern bread is. 4. Prepackaged baked goods. Cookies, muffins, snack cakes, and pastries that come prepackaged are among the worst foods in the modern diet. Many contain potassium bromate, linked to cancer risk, artificial flavors and dyes, refined flour and sugar, cheap seed oils. These products are engineered to last months, sometimes years. Real food does not behave that way. Switch instead. Bake at home using organic flour or almond flour, real butter or coconut oil, honey or maple syrup. If it doesn't spoil naturally, it isn't meant to be eaten regularly. 5. Fried fish. Fish is one of the healthiest proteins available until it's deep fried. Frying fish destroys omega-3 benefits, adds oxidized oils, turns anti-inflammatory food into inflammatory food.
You look at how long we've been on this earth. We didn't used to eat a lot of fried foods because we couldn't heat things up that much.
Fast food fried fish is especially damaging due to reused fryer oils. Switch instead. Grilled fish, broiled fish, air-fried or baked fish. Pair it with vegetables, not fries. Let fish stay authentic. 6. White pasta with packaged Alfredo sauce. This meal hits the body from every wrong angle. White pasta spikes blood sugar, lacks fiber. Packaged Alfredo sauce adds seed oils, artificial thickeners, hidden sugars, excess sodium. The result is bloating, inflammation, and energy crashes. Switch instead lentil, chickpea, or rice pasta. Low-sugar tomato sauce, olive oil, garlic, herbs. Your gut handles slow carbs and clean fats far better. 7. Processed meats. This includes sausage, salami, hot dogs, ham, chicken cutlets, turkey ham. Processed meats often contain nitrates and nitrites.
But a decade-long study of 500,000 people, ages 50 to 71, shows Americans who ate too much red and processed meat increased their risk of death from illnesses, including heart disease and cancer.
Preservatives, low-quality meat sources, artificial flavoring. These compounds are consistently linked to inflammation and long-term disease risk. Switch instead fresh whole proteins, grilled chicken, grass-fed beef, wild-caught fish, eggs. If it's shaped, dyed, or preserved unnaturally, avoid it. 8. Fried potatoes, French fries. French fries are rarely just potatoes. They're often fried in reused seed oils, frozen and chemically treated, loaded with sodium. Frozen fries are especially harmful. They're designed for texture, not nutrition. Switch instead fresh sweet potatoes, baked or air-fried at home, olive oil and sea salt. Sweet potatoes offer fiber, vitamins, and steady energy. 9. Non-organic dairy ice cream. Most conventional ice cream contains hormone-treated dairy, artificial stabilizers, excess sugar. Dairy is a major trigger for digestive issues, acne, and inflammation in many people. Switch instead so delicious coconut milk ice cream, Greek yogurt with berries, kefir for gut health. Fermented dairy supports digestion rather than disrupting it. 10. Highly processed, plant-based, fake foods. Products like Beyond Burger are marketed as healthy, but they're ultra-processed. They often contain canola oil, protein isolates, artificial binders, lab-engineered flavor compounds. Plant-based doesn't mean healthy if it's heavily processed. Switch instead organic tofu, beans and lentils, whole vegetables. Real plant foods don't need marketing. Health isn't about perfection. It's about removing what harms you first. Avoid the worst offenders. Switch to cleaner versions. If you can't pronounce an ingredient, that means your body can't digest it. Your body responds quickly when it's no longer fighting what you eat every day. Check out this next video if you're interested in making healthy choices when eating out. Subscribe to this channel. We are passionate about keeping you healthy and informed.